Hello guys, how are you? It's Mambrispa here again, aka Mkenya Maju. Kenya Maju here in Canada. So guys, you've seen how the place is and it's snow all over because this is one of the biggest snowfall, guys, here in Peterborough, Ontario. I think it's Canada as a whole. So we are just going to help a friend and we are taking you with us. He's not feeling well, so I'm just going to help her with the shoveling. So guys, let's go together, okay? Guys, this is how it is. It was shoveled in the morning and look, everywhere is white. Look. So we are going to help a friend. But look, it's a snowstorm. This one is not snowfall, snowstorm, guys. You see? Okay, guys, let's go and see what to do again. It's like Peterborough is all white. Look. Hey, guys, see? Side and this other side too. Everybody's busy shoveling and this road is closed. Peterborough, Ontario for you guys. Look. Yeah. Everybody's shoveling, guys. Look at the other side. People are busy. Peterborough, Ontario. Are we almost reaching? Okay. Some are using this one here. Yes, too much work today. Look at the ground, full of ice. Guys, just see. And there is a lot of these cars. Everywhere, guys. Everywhere is snow. Everywhere people are busy shoveling. But this is the land of where? Here. Or this side. Look. Oh guys, this is and oh, I'm getting up. Now it is here. This is look. I'm almost. It is slippery because it has the shovel. Look. I'm fine. So guys, we are lucky here because the gentleman have agreed to help with the shoveling. At least he's having a machine. So this is how they're shoveling, and it is packed big, right? You see, very big. Okay guys, that's it. It's being done. Guys, I haven't. Shall we? What the? Yeah. Okay guys, now there. At least look how it is coming out. Hey Babu, this is too big. It's just too big. Panda. Okay. Guys, that is the gentleman that is helping. May God bless him. Okay guys, now this is it. We are going. Thank you guys for watching. Now this is it. At least I thought it's wise taking you along with us so that you can see how Peterborough is when it's have a heavy storm. Thank you for watching. Share, comment, hit on that notification bell so that YouTube may notify you whenever we've posted.